Annabelle, and I will be showing you 2 things you can do with dried ice. So, what you need to make this is 2 bowls, dried ice, 2 gloves, barbecue gloves or oven mittens, and some dish soap. So, the first thing that you're going to need to do is fill up the 2 bowls with hot water. Once you've done that, so this is the bowl that's going to make soapy bubbles. This is the bowl that's going to make foam. So you pour some dish soap. And then here comes the hard part. You got to put dried ice in these bowls. Make sure to wear your glove. Safety first. So, we already put dried ice in a bowl, so I just going to this one's making foam. Look. And this one should start making bubbles, and maybe it needs a little bit more soap. Well, they're both making foam, I guess. So, what I did was I added the dried ice with soap and hot water in this one, and just dried ice with hot water in this one. This one is making fog, and this one is making bubbles that you can pop that come foam out of the bubbles. It's like the foam that you see at the bubble show. Like when you pop the bubbles, it makes foam. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. If you put more dry ice, it gets even more bubbly. Yeah.